Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Only attempt recovery if you own the file or have explicit permission. Unauthorized password removal can violate laws and policies in many places. Respect privacy and institutional rules before acting. If you are unsure, stop and ask the document owner or legal advisor. Avoid using unknown tools that promise instant unlocking because they can damage files or deliver malware. Prioritize safe approaches like official recovery channels, backups, and documented consent from the owner. Sign in with the original Microsoft account used to create the file. Check OneDrive or SharePoint for earlier versions and restore a copy. Use the Office desktop app, where stored credentials may allow opening without re-entering a password. If you used a password manager, search it for the saved entry before trying other options. Contact Microsoft support if you cannot access your account or need verified assistance. Provide proof of ownership when requested to speed up legitimate recovery. Keep at least 3 backups of important presentations in separate locations. Store copies on local drives, OneDrive, and an external device for redundancy. Use a reputable password manager to save and autofill complex passwords securely. Change critical passwords every 90 days and record recovery methods when possible. Consider using Office sensitivity labels or enterprise encryption for stronger protection than basic file passwords. Train collaborators on secure sharing and document versioning to avoid accidental lockouts and data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.